Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting showdown between some of the fastest electric vehicles on the market. We'll focus on the Lotus Emeya and see how it stacks up against its rivals in terms of charging speed. We'll also discuss how these electric vehicles compare to traditional internal combustion engine cars when it comes to refueling times. Let's get started. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more automotive content. Now let's talk about the Lotus Emeya. The Lotus Emeya is an electric sedan that's been turning heads with its impressive performance and sleek design. But today we're focusing on one specific aspect, its charging speed. In an independent test, the Emeya beat several other electric vehicles, showcasing its ability to recharge quickly and efficiently. In a recent test conducted by the P3 Group, the Lotus Emeya recharged its 102 kilowatt battery from 10 to 80% in just 14 minutes. That's right, only 14 minutes. The Emeya achieved a peak charging rate of 402 kilowatts and an average charging speed of 331 kilowatts. These numbers are incredibly impressive, especially considering that many other high-rate EVs, like the Hyundai Ioniq 5, can't exceed 200 kilowatts. To put this into perspective, the Emeya outperformed several other notable electric vehicles in the test. Let's break down how it compared. XPeng G9 RWD Long Range. This EV had a peak charging rate of 320 kilowatts, but averaged only 233 kilowatts. Kia EV9 RWD and Hyundai Ioniq 6 RWD. Despite their advanced 800-volt architecture, these vehicles couldn't match the Emeya's charging speeds. Mercedes EQS 450 Plus and BMW i7 eDrive 50. While luxurious, these EVs lagged behind in the charging race. The Emeya's rapid charging allows it to add up to 193 miles of driving range in just 10 minutes. However, it's important to note that this speed can only be achieved with a super-fast 400 kilowatt charger, which isn't as common as we'd like. Despite these advancements, it's still clear that internal combustion engine cars have the upper hand when it comes to refueling times. For example, a Porsche Panamera, a fast ICE sedan, can refuel enough for a 193-mile trip in less than 2 minutes. This stark difference highlights one of the main challenges electric vehicles face in achieving widespread adoption. The P3 Group's charts provide some fascinating insights into the charging curves of different EVs. The Lotus Emeya, for instance, experiences a sharp dip and quick recovery at the 25% mark due to increased temperature. By 75% full, the charge rate gap between the Emeya and other cars narrows, but it still maintains its lead. On the other hand, the XPeng G9, which starts off strong, falls behind most competitors at the halfway mark, highlighting the variability in charging performance among different models. The Lotus Emeya's rapid charging capabilities are a significant step forward in the EV market, proving that electric vehicles can compete with, and in some cases, surpass their combustion engine counterparts in certain aspects. However, there's still work to be done to make fast chargers more accessible and reduce overall charging times. What do you think about the Lotus Emeya's performance? Are you impressed by its charging speed, or do you think ICE cars still have the edge? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.